I really love enjoying my outdoor spaces no matter what time of year it is. So today, I'm gonna bring some new life to this tired sauna. I am using ReadySeal exterior wood stain. That is gonna give it a pop of color. It is going to protect it so I can continue to enjoy using it for years to come. The process is goof-proof. It's a simple product to use and to maintain. You just have to follow 3 simple steps. You're gonna prep, you're gonna dry, and then apply. To set yourself up for success, you want the right prep. Different woods need different treatment, so check your surface before you start. This cedar sauna has no previous stain and was pretty weathered, so we're jumping right in with Ready Clean Wood Cleaner. It'll knock out any mold or mildew and it'll lift that gray right off. And just to make sure we're working with the perfect base, we're applying Ready Bright Wood Brightener to bring the wood back to its natural color. After the prep stage, it's really all about drying. You want your product to be as dry as possible because ReadySeal is an oil-based product. You've got to check the humidity. The best way to do that is with a moisture meter. It should be 12% moisture or less before you apply the stain. Now at this location, I have multiple wood structures and some of them are different species of wood. But the good news is, ReadySeal comes in 8 different stains. And I can even mix if I want to get a more custom look. I'm gravitating towards natural cedar because I like what it's doing with the grain. I think this is my hero. Now that I am completely prepped, I'm ready to apply the ReadySeal. And there's a few different ways that you can apply the product. You can use a brush, you can use a roller, you can use a sprayer. And for my application, I'm using the trusty brush. You'll notice that the ReadySeal goes on smoothly and consistently, and the color is popping right away. It's very easy, there's no streaking, there's no clumping, no special skills to make that happen, and boy does it look good. Because of the proper preparation, this is a very low maintenance application. There's no babysitting required, you don't need to cover it. In fact, it's water resistant within minutes. Even though this sauna isn't that old, it was looking pretty tired. And I feel like I have brought this sauna back to life. Not only does it look great, but it's ready sealed and protected for me to enjoy for years to come. And there you have it, a long-lasting finish that looks great and protects your investment long-term. For more information and product details, visit ReadySeal.com.